in theory, trying to turn stone into bread, masquerading like he's got it figured out, cut off from his sunshine, only smart in his own head, leaving his to sit there, hoping down, left to his devices, those worthless sacrifices, praying to the altar of his soul, making pilgrimages, thinking he's religious, like he's got all the light and no one else. He takes the unsuspected, 'cause he knows they're not connected, and he shows them how to be just as he is. Virtually real and commercially appeal to the lust of all the people where he lives. He was so naive, blinded by the pride and greed, wanted to be intellectual, blinded by the way she got turned down one day, and now she thinks that she's bisexual. Now can you tell me what we gonna do?